When UTV approached me for this deal, for this offer, it was something that was very new, something I really couldn't refuse, and I think it's a great way to directly interact with normal people, people who actually would like to speak to me, and they actually get an up close and personal look into my life. They see the real me, the girl behind the lens, the girl behind the actress. So I thought this was really great, and they get daily updates. Basically, when I was just stuck in traffic, all I do is just pick up the phone, dial a number, and I can just, type out or just talk out any sort of message that I would like to share with, people across. And we have the video blogging as well, which is in association with YouTube. So, yeah, just to give you an idea. When I asked them about the video blogging, for example, I said, how is it going to be? How are we going to shoot it? Is it going to be like a shoot? So they said, no, it's going to be something very normal. It's like they just turn up with a simple camera at home, and I'm not even with makeup or anything on. I just got my normal clothes on. I'm doing my normal stuff like fixing breakfast. There's one even when I'm washing the car. So, very simple stuff like that, my normal day-to-day life, which people actually don't know about. So this was something that I found would give the people, a different look, as because a lot of people actually view us celebrities as, glamazons, and we just live this one kind of life that is an actor life, which is not true. So it was nice to kind of give them another look. It's just the beginning. So we wanted to just start off a little slow. And very soon we'll be coming up with lots of other things. Now there's simple stuff like me going to my favorite restaurant maybe. And there's a lot of things that actually a lot of people don't know about me. So I think we'll cover a lot of subjects later on. It's going to be very different. Nothing really is going to be the same. I think it's absolutely great. I've already gotten some feedback on this, quite a lot of feedback, and most of the people are quite shocked that I was washing my car. So it's I just want people to understand, because a lot of people have misconceptions about actors and actresses. I want them to understand that we're real people. We're very normal people. We have normal lives. And just to give you a peek, this is my actual life. I actually do wash the car. If Mama says go wash the car, I have to wash the car. So that's the way it is. Well, see, if I was apprehensive, I wouldn't have signed the deal. But I was. I thought it'd be nice, because I have met quite a lot of people, quite a lot of fans who actually, perceive me to be a very different person. They actually take my on-screen characters and think that's the real me. So I want to really cut off from that image and tell them that, I'm a very normal person. And, being a celebrity is pretty much just a job.